Welcome back to Power Lunch. In today's Tech Check, two big calls we want to highlight. Adobe upgraded to overweight, Salesforce hit with the downgrade to equal weight, and they're both by Morgan Stanley. Keith Weiss is the analyst behind those calls. He is joining us now. Keith, welcome. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Which one are you more excited about?
I'm always more excited about the upgrades than the downgrades. Very excited about Adobe and what we're seeing there in terms of their innovation around generative AI. We think there's going to be a lot more product coming from the company, selling that product into an installed base where you can improve the productivity of that installed base. And if they capture just 2% of that productivity gain, that's our value capture framework. We think that could add $2 billion in revenues to the stock in their FY25. That's a pretty exciting forecast, way above what consensus is looking for, about 7% above what consensus is looking for right now, and something that could actually accelerate the overall revenue growth of Adobe. All of that's pretty exciting.
Sure. And then maybe the one, less fun to talk about, but maybe a reality check for Salesforce. What do you see going on there?
Yeah, when it comes to Salesforce, I mean, we like the company longer term, but at this point, with the stock up over 70% on a year-to-date basis, what investors really want to see is evidence that they can participate, evidence that their revenue growth has the potential of accelerating as well. The problem that we see with Salesforce is really their business model. They have what we call like a large subscription model of where they have 3 5-year contracts, annual invoicing. So even when they do get the generative AI product into the marketplace, it's going to take a really long time to see that in their results. Compare that to Adobe. We measure Adobe on something called ARR, or annual recurring revenues. As soon as subscribers start signing on, we're going to see that in ARR, and it's going to let investors get more excited about Adobe sooner.
Let's go back to Adobe and just get you to walk me through, if you don't mind, where Adobe would fit in this new AI universe. In other words, what will it either help me do, or what will AI help it do better?
Yeah. So when it comes to Adobe, it really comes down to, it's less so you or I, it's more so the creative professionals, the men and women out there who are creating content for our websites, for advertising campaigns, for emails. And what Adobe has is a solution they're calling Firefly. It's a generative AI model that enables you to actually create new content vis-a-vis text prompts. And this is going to be a major productivity enhancer for these creative professionals. It's going to let them start with a much more robust starting image, along with what they're trying to kind of put out there, whether it's the advertisement, whether it's the email, or the Facebook campaign or whatnot. It just gives them a head start, and we think it could add 20 to 30% to the productivity of these creative professionals.
Very interesting. So it'll enable those creative professionals to do what they do, but do it better, more efficiently, quicker, more creatively.
Exactly. Like, it is a simple example. Say I'm a bakery and I want to do a advertising campaign around some new cupcakes that I'm coming out with. Rather than having to outsource to a photographer or try to find some stock images, now I could go into their Firefly and say, hey, listen, I want a photograph of a cupcake that has Christmas trees on top because it's the holiday season. And the Firefly, the generative AI behind it, is going to show me multiple choices.